Your Epson L3256 printer showing service required? Is the ink pad full, or are the paper and ink lights blinking together? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Epson L3256 printer in just a few minutes using the WIC Reset utility. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also show you how to activate the reset key and get your printer working again. Step 1. Download the WIC Reset utility. First, open your browser and search for Inkchip WIC Reset. Open the official Inkchip website. Now click on WIC Reset utility and download the software for your operating system, whether you're using Windows or Mac. Step 2. Buy the activation key. After downloading the software, go back to the Inkchip website and click on Buy Activation Key. Choose the package that matches your printer. Before completing your order, enter the coupon code MULTIFIX10 to get a 10% discount. Complete the checkout process. After your purchase, you'll receive the activation key by email. Step 3. Prepare the printer. Now turn on your Epson L3256 printer. Make sure the printer driver is installed correctly. Also, make sure your printer is connected to the computer using a USB cable or a stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have the printer driver installed, I'll leave the download link in the video description. Step 4. Reset the waste ink counter. Now open the WIC Reset utility. Select your Epson L3256 printer from the list. First, click on Read Waste Counters to check the current waste ink counter level. Then click on Reset Waste Counters. Enter the activation key you received by email and click OK. Now wait a few moments while the reset process is completed. Step 5. Restart the printer. Once the reset is complete, turn off your printer. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Great! As you can see, the service required error is gone, and your Epson L3256 printer is working normally again. Congratulations! Your Epson L3256 has been reset successfully and is ready to print again. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to MultiFix for more Epson printer tutorials and troubleshooting videos.